Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 LARIAT. Coming in this nice Marsh gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package, tow and haul, and bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get some nice chrome accents on this vehicle with rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We got this new Pro Access tailgate, which allows you to have easier access to your bed. Got that nice Bedliner hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. Got a 120 volt outlet. You can turn on the lights back here as well, which is pretty nice. Got some measurements on the tailgate. And closing it, we can see here that it is powered. You got a backup camera as well. Now let's just say you're carrying a lot of goods in your hand and you want to lift up the gate. You just knee it up and it will go up automatically. We get mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board, mud flaps on the front, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated. And moving to the front, we do get a nice black hood deflector. We do get front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, got some leathering on the door, a flat fold storage system with a carpeted interior. You will get floor mats with this vehicle, got cup holders, heated back seats, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space, and you do get a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors, and you can see here you click it and they will close. You got some memory seating for up to 3 drivers, auto stop auto start with your lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 16.6 kilometers. We get this heated leather up steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's on here, we can see here that our main menu has My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see on the van ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select. It is collapsible. You got your speeds on there, storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C. That does close. Got that center console here that does turn into an interior work surface, or you can put your meal here. Totally up to you, or a laptop, which is pretty handy. And you do get your storage underneath as well, with a rear locking diff, 4-wheel drive and drive modes, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, engine start stop, heated and cooled front seats with that heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt and 120, got storage above and below, storage right here. We do get a powered rear window opener as well as our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle and a nice garage door transmitter. 360 view of the vehicle right here, and you can go for different views, so you can add a camera here. Well, it's just meant for your trailer. You got your hitch and all that jazz. I'm going to click out, traction and hazards, park assist, and we do get Blue Cruise with this vehicle as well, which is Ford self-driving for the highway. You got your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, power tailgate, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you download, will be right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA93776, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.